He played an important role in Boca's run to the Copa Libertadores final and is now considering his future. Boca are trying to tie him to a new long-term deal, which would also eliminate his current release clauses. The 19-year-old left back, who can play in defense or midfield, is considered one of the greatest talents in South America. Release clause: as it stands, Barco could leave for $10 million this month, although that figure will increase to $14 million if he moves within 10 days of the window ending. City were in negotiations, but sources close to the European champions indicated that their interest in him has waned, and they no longer see him as a priority. Brighton, which has been hot on Barco's trail for much of the last 12 months, has now made the move and made an opening bid of $9 million. The offer was rejected, but negotiations continue and sources believe a deal is close. Brighton have a huge reputation in Argentina and South America for being an excellent club to join, which can open up many avenues for a player if he performs as expected at the Amex. The Seagulls now have a rich tradition of Argentine talent, including Liverpool transfer Alexis McAllister and current Brighton midfielder Facundo Bonanote. In fact, Bonanote just last month encouraged Barco to join him on the South Coast. Speaking to El Grafico about the prospect of Barca's arrival, he said, "I would tell you that this is a great club to start in Europe, which gives lots of opportunities for young people. If they come here, they will play. It's a perfect club that welcomes you very well." Did you like the news? Then leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's strengthen this channel so that it encourages us even more to bring you the best information about Brighton. Thank you for your audience. Big hugs, and until the next video.